हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू मेक अ सिंपल रोज़ एंड इट्स लीफ विद अ सिंगल ब्रश। तो आज मैंने लिया है ब्रश नंबर 8 जिसका टिप थोड़ा पॉइंटी हो जाता है जब आप इसे वाटर में डिप करते हो। दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट ब्रश टू मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ रोजेस। You have to start with the core of the rose, which will be darker as compared to outer petals of the rose. You can make this kind of roses very quickly and easily like I'm doing here. Once I have tried this kind of rose on a greeting card, and trust me guys, it looks really beautiful and you can also do that and gift it to your loved ones. For painting the rose leaves, I'm just using the shape of the brush and tip of the brush, and it is really easy to do that. जो रोज का लीफ होता है वो थोड़ा पॉइंटी होता है एजेस पे, तो दिस इज द परफेक्ट वे टू पेंट द लीव्स. So make sure the tip of the brush is towards the outside and you slide it inside toward the center of the leaf. And when you are done with that, you can just detail out the leaves like I'm doing here, and just take a thinnest brush you have. Maybe you can take a 0 or 1 size. And guys, when you finished with the painting, it will look something like this. Like you can see here, the details are important to give a depth to the leaf. So guys, do let me know how do you like my today's painting, and if you have another suggestion, do let me know. I'm always ready to learn and grow, and if you share something with me, I'll definitely make sure that I'll go through it. And I would like to thank all the subscribers and the people who are watching my videos and supporting my channel. If you like my artwork, do share it with your friends and family. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye.